Alrighty folks, today we got a 1969 John Deere 4000. Very rare barn find tractor. Got 9.5 L15s up front, 18.4 by 34 rubber in the rear. Open station with a canopy. One rear remote. 540 or 1000 PTO. Drawbar as well. Lift arms do work as well as a PTO. There's your third arm. Low hour tractor. We believe it to be all original. Adjustable width front end. We will have a video of this tractor running as well. Show you go through all the gears, driving around, show you everything working. If you'd like to come check this tractor out, it'll be available here at our lot in Finger, Tennessee. Or you can check it out on our website, southern equipment llc.com. We thank you for watching our video.